All right, awesome. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, with no waste of time, let us have you, Mr. Jaytimbre. What's your name?
My name is Justin.
All right, Justin Odogobi Obina. All right, welcome. So, Jaytimbre. Jaytimbre.
Yeah, just like general.
Oh.
Just like general.
Okay. Okay.
Fiber.
Okay. Okay, I've been pronouncing you as Jaytimbre, but it's fine, Jaytimbre. All right, good to meet you. Wow. Jaytimbre, what's your genre of music? Afro pop.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, that's awesome. And how long have you been doing music professionally?
I started to 14 years.
14.
Yeah, when I dropped my first sound. 2013.
Okay. So from 2013 till date, you've been doing music. Awesome. That's fine. And how did you meet us? And what was your first impression about us?
I met Elegant Empire through a friend. And first impression was Elegant Empire. I asked my friend, this lady, this week, said yes. Said yes. Okay, let me try. I said, let me really try.
Let's go.
So that was I started working on Elegant Empire.
Wow, that's impressive. All right, so whoever your friend is, I don't know him, but that guy must have been following us for a while before he can have that trust in us. However the case may be, I'm so happy. So your first impression was was that you were not afraid that we are scammers. You just wanted to give it a try and see what will come out of it, right? Okay, that's fine. So how do you see Elegant Empire now? This is the starting point of your journey with the Elegant Empire. Tell us, how do you see us? And what can you tell the viewers about us?
Yeah, I'm seeing Elegant Empire as an organization that has a vision to take artists to the world and to the music world. And I believe in Elegant Empire. Build and legends.
Beautiful. Thank you very much, Jaytimbre. Can we give a clap on that? All right. So, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years from now, and what are your expectations from us?
Like I'm expecting to see myself everywhere, according to what my colleague said.
All right.
Yeah.
So, what's your expectation from us?
I'm expecting support and encouragement from Elegant Empire.
We got you big time. All right, guys. What's your word of encouragement to up and coming artists watching us right now?
Yeah, I would tell the upcoming artists outside there, they should keep on doing what they're doing. They shouldn't listen to the negativity people are saying towards their music career. They should keep it up. They shouldn't stop what they are doing. They should keep doing it with consistency. That is my say to the upcoming artists outside there.
Beautiful. Good one. So, tell us, say something to your fans, people that are watching you, people that love you, all your supporters, and tell us how we can contact you, Jaytimbre.
I said I will never cease to give you that good sound.
Taking you to fame, let's go.
You always want from me, and say it is my duty and it is my profession to give you what you are expecting from me.
Yeah.
So if you want to get through to me, you should get me through Instagram with Jaytimbre, Twitter Jaytimbre. I am Jaytimbre Twitter. On Facebook Jaytimbre.
All right, Jaytimbre, it's a nice time with you today in the studio. Sorry, it's a nice time with you today, hanging out with the Elegant Empire. All right, so see you next time. I'm super excited to have you. You're welcome. All right, Jaytimbre.